this spec sheet from Samsung. You're charging us $1,300. You know, you've got a healthy profit margin. How much harder would it have been to put just a slightly better processor in there and a little bit more RAM? You know, it surprises me. Even if they wanted to throw another $50 on top, I think it would have been worthwhile.
Yeah, I think so
them
too.
and for
I'm
us.
trying to like find where it says Snapdragon 855 on here, but apparently they just did not list it. Unless I'm just missing it somewhere. I don't know how that's not on the spec sheet.
I don't think the processor is important.
I'd say that's like one of the most important things, but yeah, it's rocking Snapdragon 855 and not the 865, which its brothers are. The Ultra, S20, and S20 Plus are all rocking the 865.
Importantly, it does have Bixby. I wouldn't want to see Bixby go.
Do they still have the dedicated button? I can't remember if they do or not. Oh, did they get rid of that with the S20? Or no, S10? I can't remember.
I can't remember either.
I should really know that. I feel like they kept it in. I feel like they still kept it on the S10 series. Do we have a Bixby button? Mine has a Bixby button. Shout out to S9. I'm old now.
How often do you use that?
I've literally never used it once. But you can remap it to certain functions. They allowed you to do that. And
So that makes it useful.
I've still never used it. I have it mapped to YouTube, but honestly, like,
It's not that much harder. Just
I just click the
way.
YouTube.